Hi guys, this is Udhi. Welcome back to my channel. I have recently been obsessed with the color blue and I thought why not create a makeup look using that color. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. First of all, I'm going to take this primer by Nykaa and I'm going to apply it all over my pores. So my nose is my problematic area, so I'm just applying it over my nose. Now I'm using this stroke cream by MAC and I'm going to apply it all over my face and this gives you a very nice shine to your face, and this is just for 1050. If you really want to try it, try the mini version because it's affordable and also you'll know what kind of product you're buying. This foundation is by Fit Me and this is not full coverage but it is medium to high coverage. As you can see, I have applied a lot of product on my face because this is medium coverage. I am also going to use this same foundation as my concealer. As you can see, I am applying it on my dark circles and also on my eyelids. You need not own a separate product for every step that you do in your makeup routine, and hence I have tried to use minimal products. Now I'm going to simply use a beauty sponge and I'm dapping the product all over my face. You just need to dap it all over your face and not smudge it. I feel you can also do this using your fingers, but I would suggest you to get a sponge because I feel sponges are not very expensive and that it can be used in multiple ways. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. This has all the colors in it and I'm using this brown shade as a contour and I'm going to apply it on my jawline just to make it look a lot more sharp. And as you can see, my face is looking very flat, so I do not want it to look flat and hence I'm adding a lot of color. And in this step I've just applied a little bit of loose powder, and this step is done just to make your liquid foundation set in very well. Now I'm using cello tape on my eyelids because I want that winged eye look, and I know that not a lot of people can create a winged look using just a brush, and hence even I cannot do it. Hence I'm using a cello tape so that I get a winged effect. So this eyeshadow palette is from Huda Beauty and I am going to apply this blue shade as a transition shade, and I know not a lot of people use blue as their transition shade, but this eye look is specifically blue, hence I'm using blue as my transition shade. And the brush that I've used is a fluffy eyeshadow brush which is from PAC. I will leave all the details in the description box below. I do not own a lot of brushes, but these are the new ones that I'm using and these are from PAC and they are kind of affordable, not very affordable. But if you are going to buy just one brush, I would definitely highly recommend this brush. So what I'm doing here is I am applying the transition shade all over my eyelids, and you need not be very perfect as you have already applied a cello tape and the color is not going to get out, and do not feel that you are not going to get a winged effect. You just have to apply it very lightly all over your eyelids. Now I am taking this black eyeshadow and I am applying it over my corners, and what this does is this is going to give you a very winged sort of effect. And a tip is, whenever you start using a new color, always go very light with the color and then you can slowly build the color by applying a little more once you're confident. This was the first time that I ever tried a colorful makeup look. I've never done it, but I loved how this turned out. So watch it, and I feel even beginners can do it because even I was a beginner when I did this makeup look. Now that you have got a winged effect, now you can start blending in the blue and the black color along with each other so that they do not look like they are two separate colors. And you might notice that not a lot of blending has been done in this look. You might have noticed that I am not taking a lot of product directly on my brush. I'm taking very little and then building it up. Now I'm going to take the blue color again and I am applying it on the middle part of my eye just because I want that color to pop up. Now is the time when you're supposed to take a lot more product on your brush because you want that color to appear darker. Now using this silver shade from the Makeup Revolution palette, I'm going to apply it on the inner corner of my eye. This just gives a very different effect to the entire makeup look. Also, if you do not plan to use black, you can just go ahead with blue and silver. They also look very amazing. Now it's time to remove our sellotape, and this is the most satisfying part, and I felt so nice after I removed the sellotape. And there was a little bit of fallout of the product and I'm just dusting it off. As always, I'm not using a separate product as my blush. I'm just going to use the red color that was there very lightly on my cheeks. Now it's time for setting spray, and this is from NYX. Just applying a little bit of mascara. I haven't applied a lot of mascara also because I want the eye look, the eyeshadow to pop up. Just filling in my brows using this brown shade. Even if you have dark brows, do not miss this step because I feel that whenever you apply foundation, your eyebrows do not appear very dark. Hence, filling in your brows is important. Time for lipstick, and I'm taking 2 lipsticks. You will get all the details in the description box below. You can use any 2 shades. I have used a pink one and a brown one. And tada! We are done with the eye makeup look. I feel this was such a simple eye makeup look, and I always thought that I couldn't create such a makeup look, but if you try it, you can definitely do it. Let me know what you think about it. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below. Also, please share this video with your friends and family. Also, do not forget to hit the bell button to get a notification as soon as I post another video. I will see you next time with another video. Bye.